Hi, I'm No Pain Nigel from the Village Dental Centre in Brighton. That's the home of pain-free dentistry. What we offer, we think, is unique, and that is it's the gentlest dentistry or your money back. Now, we've not had to give anybody any money back so far. In fact, a lot of my colleagues, other dentists, have said, aren't you concerned about having to give money back to patients? And I said, not at all. In fact, we haven't given any back. Now, that term, the gentlest dentistry, is a term used by one of my patients, Vera Rogers. She said it to me, and it's stuck ever since. There are 3 stages at which we can help patients who are anxious, nervous, haven't been to the dentist for a long time. Now, we know that about 50% of the population don't go to the dentist regularly, and that's because they're either terrified of going, or they're embarrassed, or they just put it off for so long. What we can reassure them is that they will not be made to feel embarrassed by coming to us or awkward. On the contrary, we can help them. There are 3 stages which we can help you, as I said. The first step is that we can identify with this little device to my left here, decay early in your teeth. Because we can identify it early, like as if we were checking for cancer, we can then treat it with ozone gas so that you don't have injection, you don't have any fillings or any treatment. It's absolutely effortless. The second way we can help you, should we need to do any treatment for you, is we use anaesthetic pastes. We give the injections very slowly. We make sure you're completely numb. We wait until you're numb, and in all those stages, you're totally comfortable. Now, you don't need to take my word for it. You can look on our website, which is villagedentalcentre.co.uk, or look up Brighton Dentist on YouTube and hear what some of our patients say. Here is what some of them said. One person in particular here said, Tracy, who's a cabin crew, said, I highly recommend the sedation treatment. It's the best way to have work done. The sedation is where you're able to drop off to sleep with the help of our anaesthetist Rex. You can have all the treatment, all the anxiety taken care of because you'll be asleep or partially asleep, and have your treatment done that way. Another patient said, I've had difficulty in the past with dentists, and as a child I was terrified. It took me 12 years to pluck up the courage to come to the dentist. The sedation was brilliant. I would have no hesitation in recommending the Village Dental Centre to anyone. Now, that's Catherine, who works in special needs. Another patient, Margaret, who works at supermarket, says, I've been seeing Nigel for 20 plus years and I've always had sedation. It takes away the fear. I don't like the drill. I would recommend to anyone who's terrified or unsure to go and see Nigel at the Village Dental Centre. Other patients said about the injections, I didn't feel anything at all, nothing. And that was Sue. Let's see what Pat Flood has to say. Now, Pat was someone who hadn't been to the dentist for 15, 20 years. In fact, he was so anxious and worried about going to the dentist, he used to cross the road or turn around and walk in the opposite direction if he saw a dental practice. What he had to say was that he'd had 3 or 4 bad experiences in the past, and that he can't believe now that he's been so lucky to come to a practice where he's been made to feel comfortable. He's not been embarrassed at all about his condition. In fact, he hadn't been. Now he trusts us. He does not feel like a dental leper, and he feels he belongs at our practice. Now, that's Pat that said that. What we do, I think, is unique in our area, or in dentistry, is that we offer you this money-back guarantee. That's our promise to you, that if you feel something, or if you feel it's uncomfortable, it's not the gentlest you've had before, we'll give you your money back. So why not give us a try? Our number is 885522 in Brighton. You can find us on villagedentalcentre.co.uk. You can find us on YouTube, Brighton Dentist, or on Facebook. You can look up No Pain Nigel. And I think you'll find that we can provide the sort of service and the pain-free treatment that most patients would desire. Thank you very much.